At work, we can often be our own worst enemy, beating ourselves up if things don't go to plan or being overly self-critical about the way things have panned out. So I want to bring focus to the anahata chakra, which is your heart center chakra. This is all about kindness, not only to other people, but also to yourself. So to remind yourself to be kind to yourself, I want you to try this simple standing cobra. So inhale and roll your shoulders out and back and squeeze the shoulder blades together. Exhale, release. Inhale, back and really squeeze those shoulder blades together and release. One more time. Inhale, squeeze back, open up the anahata chakra and exhale, release. It also helps combat that desk-bound tightness. Give it a go.